Hey guys, welcome back to part two. In this section, we're going to take down the stand. So, what we're doing, we just got back from the truck. As you guys, if you haven't watched part one, we took down the feeder here at this stand. We got it on the trailer, and just for the sake of time and not making the video so long, I decided to break these videos up a little bit. So, we're going to take down the stand in this one. Dakota's currently climbing the stand. He's going to go up there. We got a office chair is what we usually put in these stands. So he's going to rope it off, and they're going to put it in the bucket of the tractor here and bring it down to the ground. Then he's going to go up there and tie the rope around the top, and we'll be ready. We'll come down. We got some anchors. We just use regular like round pipe. One on each corner is usually what we do, and then we got one in the center. It's kind of overkill. We've had them blow over before. We got kind of tired of putting these things back up so much, so we decided we stop them off 5 different ways, and it can't go nowhere. So I wanted to let you guys know, since the last video, I have created an Amazon storefront, and everything that I get off Amazon, I'm going to put in there and link it in the description at the end of the videos. So you guys feel free, like our feeders, the lids, those cool lids, those are on the storefront. The braces for those barrels that go across and that hook to the cable, they're on there. Our timers that we use, 12-volt timers. We used to run 6, but they just didn't last long enough for us. We were changing the batteries like every 2 weeks. Those are on there. They're really great items. And trust me, guys, I'm not endorsed by any of these products. I wish, but I'm not. So, yeah, feel free to check them out. I'll probably link the description of the GoPro that I've used too. I think I got a Hero 10. I'll put it in there. Those headphones that you see Dad wearing up on his head, those are FM. I think they're Bluetooth too. I'm not quite sure, but I got those off Amazon for him for Christmas or something. He loves them, so I'll put those in there as well. And so there's a deer hunting, I think I titled it deer hunting. That'll have all the stuff that we use for deer hunting. And then I got one titled workwear, and that'll have like headphones, the earplugs we use, different things like that. And then I'm working on one for stuff I buy for the rabbit dogs, the hunting dogs on there. Have like my ear wash and the Garmin collars and all that good stuff that we use. So keep an eye out on that, and like I said, it'll be linked in the description below. So you guys enjoyed the video, and appreciate you watching.
He's got it. He's got it. He's got it on both of them. How much slack you want, Dad?
That's good.
All right, we gotta get the unchained now. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Should let you pull the things out with the backhoe. If we leave them in the ground, it might bend it when you turn it over. The legs on the stand or something, you see what I'm saying? Pipe. Go over that way to your left a little bit with it, Dakota. A little bit more. That's good, buddy. Good job. All right, come on down. me a favor, buddy. Go to the truck. There's a piece of rope in the back of the truck. It's got 2 eyes on it and it's yellow. Grab that, and one of them slings, there's a short one. Grab it and bring both of them back for me, please.
The rope that's yellow, is that just the stuff we always use to hook?
Yeah, it's a small piece about this, so it's got 2 big loops in it. Grab that, and there's a sling, a small one. Grab it and bring it back. Carry that bug spray with that wall spray in too. We don't need it no more. Oh! Dakota! Open up the toolbox on the driver's side and get them gloves.
So guys, what I'm doing here, we got, like I said earlier, we got stobs on these stands. We got one in each corner, and then we got one in the center that comes down. So what we do is when we put these things up, we take a piece of chain and we'll wrap it around the steel, like right there in the corner, and we'll take a sledgehammer and drive these stobs down and get it tight. So when we go to take them off, like you just seen right there, I take the impact and we'll run it off and take the piece of chain off, and then like you see right there, I put it back together. Now when I was talking to Dakota there a minute ago, told him to go get that sling, and y'all see that in a minute. But that sling, what we'll do is we'll wrap it around that chain, and he's got a big hook on the back of that bucket, and we'll hook it to that bucket and we'll pull them stobs. I mean, they're most of them are like 2 foot in the ground or something, and it'll pull them right out the ground. It makes easy work out of it.
You got the stand. On that side. He's bringing the slings right now so I can have something to hook to them. He got poison ivy wrapped all the way around it. I really don't want to get into it. He's bringing my gloves. Yeah, give me them.
Pipe. When you undo them, yeah, you put them back just like you did. Need them blocks, don't we get?
Everything goes. Give me 1 second, Dad.
Half inch?
Yeah. I think.
Yeah, everything's 1/2 inch.
Short sling, shorter sling, and your glove.
Uh-oh.
Heck yeah.
You'll need 2 of them.
Give me 1 second, I got the impact right here.
You got another knife.
No, I got it in my hand. I got 2 of everything. Here. Dad, use this, Bo. Use this. It's a whole lot faster.
Dang, it's hot fire in. You want these gloves, Miss Randy?
Here, give him his gloves back and I'll take those. Had poison ivy wrapped all the way around here. You ain't allergic, are you?
What,
Poison ivy? Don't touch your face then.
Oh, that's
And fire ants, but
Oh, that'll be alright. I done got everything else. We're good, and you throw that back in the box. We're done with it, Dakota.
oh, okay.
Yep. We're gonna pull these up. All right, Dad. Straight up, bub. All right.
Okay.
Careful with them pipes when you pull them up, they got dirty water in them.
Beat them on front. Backhoe will be fine. We'll do that.
Dad, the post is over there. Suck your bucket in. Suck your bucket in. Okay. Yep. This is what I made in lineman school. You pull cross arms and stuff up with.
This is one piece of rope?
Yep.
Angle it towards you and he's come back out towards me.
Suck your butt. Turn your bucket like he's scooping, Dad. All right. There you go. Put all this stuff together. All right. So much easier. We had to get that one in the middle after we get it down. Four-wheeler. You the man, bud. All right, ready? Careful, slide off that back brick.
Oh, it is.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, it's gonna slide off.
That's okay. How is it hung up? I mean,
I think so. Nope.
it's okay.
Now I stand in that corner.
Yeah, like you've done this before.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Get all that crap off.
I've been around y'all for a few years now. That's amazing.
Heck yeah. What? There's wasps. I see a wasp out there flying around. You got walls, bitchy?
No, that bush right there.
We gotta get these.
Right into it.
I meant to tell you to. Oh no, we should be good. What we're gonna have to do probably is, me and you're probably gonna have to tote the back legs, and he's gonna tote the top. Come down some with your bucket, Dad. It'll get it. Should get it. That's good. Slide it. Hold on, oh, because slide all the way to the bottom, buddy. All the way to the ground. It'll have more time to catch. All right. Yeah, there you go. Hold. There you go. It's coming.
Dang. I thought that string was going to snap.
We'll
You know
beat
how-
that sucker down there.
Watch out for the fire ants on the pipe.
Fire ants on the pipe.
What do you call that thing?
It's a choker.
You really know how to make it?
All right, we gotta get these bricks. We'll put them in the basket, I guess.
Should have grabbed that other pair of gloves. Nope. Gonna say if you pick them up out the weeds, I'll carry them.
All right. Getting the bricks up. I think there's one over here.
Should be. No, wait, because we were on an incline, I remember.
Yeah, that's right.
Brick there.
Alright, there's one over here, though, right?
I don't know.
I think we only put 2 at this one.
Yeah, because it was
Leaning.
leaning down that way. That's right.
Alright, well, that's
Let's
fine.
wrap it here, y'all. Right here's the strongest place we can do it.
You want to do it with the rope or the sling?
Do it with a chain.
Chain.
Okay.
We're going to have to be able to swivel it.
You want? Let's untie that rope, Dad. The rope. Yeah, don't put it tight.
Because I'm going to have to be able to.
Got enough slack, Dad?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
That's good. All right, do something with that chain. Let the rope.
All right, let's see what that does. No, me and you's going to have to tote them, I think. I was looking for them skis last night that we had, how we got it in here. I couldn't find them though, so it's not that heavy. So I mean, it stands pretty light.
Unless you put the
Let's get all this crap off of it.
bar on the front of the 4-wheel.
Nah, I don't want. It might jump up and knock the 4-wheeler or something. All right. It's not heavy at all. It's pretty bad. All right, we're good. We'll come back and grab it. He's pretty much got it balanced already.
Yeah.
Whatever you do, stay behind it.
Yep.
And he's on the cell phone.
He's just going to knock us out.
Woo!
With this thing on the phone, he's going to turn around. Where'd they go?
And knock me out. I'm like a cat, but I'll be gone. Beep beep. Roadrunner.
Mimi. Yeah. Well, I guess the 4-wheel is beneficial to some extent.
Oh yeah.
Walking out pretty bad.
Well, see, this is the only stand we
That's that
can't.
fire
This is
angle.
the only stand we can't drive up to. You know.
Yeah, can we drive all the other ones up to David Campbell?
Oh yeah.
Is there enough room to turn around?
Yeah. Go right there under the feeder. There's a turnaround place.
Gotcha.
Yeah, that's the only reason I really.
Truck up here?
We'll leave your truck up here with this trailer, and then I'll hook to the other trailer. I figure what we'll do is we'll leave it at the upper loop gate in that spot right there,
That's fine.
and we'll carry everything else with us. We'll leave the dump truck at the clubhouse.
Yeah, this is total workout.
Get it up. Watch what you're doing.
Why ain't your dad got them airless tires for that thing?
Can't ride them on the road.
Ah, yeah. Is it too rough? Or
You can ride on. Yeah, they're too rough, man. They beat you to death.
That's fair. There, come my way.
Yep.
probably be the hardest stand to get out. The easiest one's gonna be 29 ribs. Let's pick it up and release the tender. That's gonna swing out to you though. Come on.
You got it. That, the 10 needs to go at the front.
And
over the rail. It sits on the... Okay. Watch this thing to go loose.
No way you can put one of these fans in the dump truck, is there?
Yeah, you can, but I mean, we still have to come back.
I don't know. If you can put one of these in there, we might not have to.
Well, I gotta put a boat and a dog pen in the back of the...
all those.
Either way, we still got 4 stands though, you know?
Yeah.
And that won't be hauling but 3.
That little one at 29, I feel like that one should just sit on top or something, but yeah.
That's a sketchy load. It's way up in the air, bro.
If it fits, it rides.
Who cares about bridge heights?
Who cares? 13 feet?
Hey,
well,
do me a favor. Go grab that thing and throw it. Hold on, Dad. Stop. Woo! Grab that and throw it around where he won't run over it. That was good. All right, come on. I could really.
There's no way he can drive there and then that'd be too much work. Back the trailer underneath it.
It's all about to be over with here in a minute.
Yeah. That'd be too much extra work. But hey, that's one stand done, right? What'd that take us, 45 minutes?
Yeah, it don't take long to tear it down, dude.
Nah, just driving around. Let's just hope you didn't hit your truck.
Don't get hung up in between that trailer, buddy.
Mr. George, how much you pay for the new guy? $20? Oh, not too much money. No good operator. go to the front?
He's probably gonna have to unhook and redo it again. Nope, never mind. Back it up some, Dad.
Four-wheeler.
Yeah, that ought to be good right there. All right, watch out, buddy. He's coming down.
Who rode the four-wheeler and side-by-side?
Dad.
Dad?
Here, watch that winch, Jack. Don't let that thing. We're good, dude. We're not even gonna have to take that handle off. Good, beautiful.
So, he was joking when he spilled that?
Good, man. Don't even have to take that winch handle off. It fell right in there. All right, get the rope off and get the chain off. All right, that's one stand down. All right, guys. I had the battery died in the GoPro. So what we're gonna do is figure out what we're gonna do next. Get these ramps out of here. Got them ramps, though. Hey, where are you gonna go? You going to 29 road?
Wherever you want to go.
All right. Do you want to look at them feeder poles that Dwayne's got? No.
No, I say leave it
Well,
alone.
all right. We'll meet you at the 29 road. What we're gonna do is we're gonna unhook. He's gonna hook his truck to that trailer, and I'm gonna hook to that one. We're gonna take his truck and park it up there at the gate.
What was them things? Square or round?
I don't know.
Did he say we could have them?
That's what he told you, because you told me something about it.
I ain't gonna mess with it.
Okay. We're gonna park his truck up there at the upper loop gate and come back and get the dump truck and the other truck and park the dump truck at the clubhouse. And then we'll meet you down there.
We gonna load this, right?
No.
Why not? We can carry everything in, can't
I don't wanna have to load it, then unchain it again. I'm just gonna drive
we? We
it.
ain't gonna change about 2 chains.
Why not just drive it?
We got the dump truck.
You're not understanding what I'm saying. We're gonna take his truck and park it at the upper loop gate. I'm gonna run up there with the 4-wheeler and grab him real quick, come back, and I drive the dump truck, he's gonna drive my truck. See what I'm saying? So we don't have to load this. You got me?
Okay.
So you just take off. I'll meet you at the 29 road, okay?
It's a lot going on, guys. So we're at the top of the hunting club right now where we're doing this at, where we're at. And the next place we're going, we got stands kind of all over. We got to go down some rough roads and they're washboard, so it takes a lot of time. So it's about a 45-minute ride from where we're standing at right here. Like I said, this place is over 16,000 acres. So if we don't coordinate and we forget something, like I said, if we were to leave something right here in the truck or whatever and not get it, we got to ride 45 minutes to go get it. So what we're doing right now is I told him to take off on the backhoe. It takes a little bit longer for it to get down there because they don't drive fast. He's going to drive that down there, and then me and Dakota's going to clean this up. So what we're going to do right now is that trailer that I'm pulling with that white truck, I'm going to cut it loose, and he's going to cut that trailer loose that he's pulling. And we're just going to switch trailers. I'm going to hook to that yellow one. He's going to hook to this one. And you guys will see that I'm probably going to cut this, unhooking these trailers out. There ain't much to that, but just for time's sake. But that's what we're going to do, and then we're going to meet him down there.
I'll follow you with the 4-wheeler and we'll come back down here and get my truck and the dump truck. Okay. That way we won't have to come back down here again, with the truck when we go home.
Would it have been faster if we just loaded the backhoe on the dump truck?
No, because then we got to unload it. I can let him go ahead and be driving, 4-wheeler, we just only take 5 seconds to run down here,
Yeah.
All right, I'll meet you up there at the gate. You know that little place that's off to the side? You just back up
You want me to go in the wire? You want me to go by the gate?
I would say on this side of the gate. You know where that place that we park sometimes? All right, guys, that's it right now. we getting this stuff moving. I'll pick y'all back up when we get down here and move something else.
Hey guys, I know it's a lot to keep up with what we're going on, so what we're doing right now, just to clear it up, I'm following him. I'm gonna pass him. I'm tired of eating his dust. We're gonna go park his truck up here at the main gate, and then he's gonna hop back here on the four-wheeler with me, and we're gonna run back down the road again, and we're gonna put this four-wheeler that I'm driving in the back of the dump truck because we don't need it anymore. That was that stand that we just took down was the hardest stand that, we have to take down. All the rest of them, we can literally just drive the trucks right up to them and put them on the trailer. So yeah, like I said, we're going to drive back down there. I'll show loading the four-wheeler back up. Then I'm going to get in the dump truck, and he's going to drive my truck, and we're going to head back down to the bottom of the hunting club and start working on the other ones. And by the time, my plan was by the time, we got down there, Dad would just be getting there with the backhoe. We'd be catching up with him, so everything's working out pretty good. We've had no breakdowns, so everything's going good. He's going to park right here, and that gate that you see right there, that is the main gate for the top of the hunting club. So when we go to come back out, I can just stop right here. He can get in his truck, and we can follow us and head on back to the house.
Just back right up in there, buddy. Got to tighten down some straps before we get on the road. Come on, you got it. Straight back, buddy, you got it. Ought to be good enough there, you out the road. That's all you can ask for. Alright.
Alright guys, you see we made it back to the dump truck now. We're going to load our four-wheeler up. So, I know it's Father's Day weekend, so I just want to shout out to my dad, make this video to him. Dad, I hope whenever you see this, I want you to know I love you. And we really have fun doing this stuff with you. So I know a lot of my buddies look up to you, and you've been a good father figure in their life, a godly father figure. So we love you. Have a great day, and really appreciate you guys watching this part 2. Come back for part 3, and we'll be at the next place taking down the stand. And like I said, check out the Amazon list in the description below. It'll have all these stuff that we buy off Amazon for deer hunting on there and much more. So I hope you guys enjoyed part 2. And me and Dakota's going to get on the road now and try to catch up with Dad. And I'll be working on part 3 to get that out shortly. But enjoy your Father's Day weekend, guys. And we'll see y'all later on.